Okay, we're going to download and install Scratch. It's simple. First go to the scratch.mit.edu website. Look for the Download Scratch button. You can fill this form out. It's optional. It will give you updates about Scratch, and you can download your programs onto their website, or you can go to the Continue to Scratch download page. Now, do you have a Mac or a PC? I have a PC, so I am clicking on Scratch Installer. When you save this file, after you save it, run it, and that will be Scratch onto your computer. It's that simple. That's it.